All right, frozen sirloin, straight into the fryer, no steps in between. Let's give it a go. 1, 2, 3, yes, bullseye. That's how you air fry from across the kitchen. Hello everyone. Tonight on Dino's Dinners, we're going to cook a steak that's frozen solid in an air fryer. So just to show you how frozen solid this steak is, see? Yeah. Rock hard. Gonna put it in this baby. Oh, wait. Gotta oil it up. Give me a second here. I'll oil it up. Oh, crap. Okay. Little avocado oil. Come on, sweetie. There we go. On both sides. Oh, that's wet and gooey. Oh, yeah. Wet and gooey. Yeah. Wet and gooey can be good. I like wet and gooey. Okay, because I saw Corey B do a steak, frozen steak. He did it for 16 minutes. His turned out perfectly. I tried one earlier for 16 minutes. It wasn't fully cooked, but mine was pretty thick. And this is just a stick. So I'm going to do this one for 10 minutes on each side, and we'll see how it turns out. So, take this rock, it's slippery, in here. Yeah. $400 degrees for 10 minutes. Then we'll season it up a little bit, do it for another 10, and hope to God it's done. BRB. Okay, that's 10 minutes on that side. All right, let's see. Here's how that looks so far. You see that? That's come from completely frozen. Now we're gonna season it. A little salt, a little pepper, garlic powder. And turn them over. Yeah. More salt. More pepper. Garlic powder. Okay. Now, instead of doing it for another 10 minutes, I'm going to do it for 12. I like mine medium rare, pink in the middle. And from my last experience, I think this should work. We'll see. All right, that's 400 degrees at 12 minutes. So far, that'll be a total of 22 minutes at 400 degrees. See how it works out. Okay, that looks really good. Now what we're going to do, put on a plate, let it rest for a few minutes while I heat up some mushrooms and a baked potato. Then we'll cut it open and see how close to perfection I've come. It'll be a first. BRB. Alrighty, let's cut this steak open. After 22 minutes in the air fryer, starting from frozen. Gotta move my mushrooms out of the way. Cut her down the middle. Oh, you gotta see this. Oh, that's perfect. That's perfect. Look at this. Look at that. There we go. You see that? That's perfect steak. At least for me it is. I don't know about you guys, but crispy on the outside, a little red in the middle. Yes. Okay. I'm going to devour this with my baked potato and mushrooms. Try that. Again, 400 degrees at 22 minutes. 10 first, and then season, flip, another 12. And that's a thick steak. Thinner ones, you might want to go with 16 minutes. But this is perfect for me. Anyways, thank you, folks. TTFN. Ta-ta for now.